Hello there. What I want to share with you today is how to add timestamps to your YouTube video. So if you've got a video that is quite long or one that you really want to pick out the most salient points, you can essentially create yourself different timestamps, which are represented as clickable links in the description, but also represented in the progress bar so people can click onto them. And I'm going to show you how to do this today. It is very, very simple. And again, adds a little bit of a dimension to your videos, particularly the longer ones that people might want to skip to more relevant areas for them. So this is what we do. Just going to share my screen and we'll go here. So I'm going to add some timestamps to this video here, which is native versus linked video on my YouTube channel. And I've already written down the links I want to do. So I've watched the video and I've just identified by, when I get to the point that I want to put a timestamp, just pop yourself over here and you can see that's 58 seconds in, that's 2 minutes 51 in. So we can start putting these timestamps together. Click over here and what you want to do is to go to YouTube Studio. So I'll give that a little click. So once you're on the YouTube Studio page, you go to the content button over here. And you need to find the video you're going to add the timestamps to. And I know that mine is, if I come down here on the top of the second page. There we go. So social media tips, native versus linked video is what I want to add. So I am going to select it and I'm going to hit the edit key. And what we're going to do is we're going to add to the description over here. So I'm going to come into the description, I'm going to hit tab, and it always has to start with 0. So 0:00. You pop a little space in, and I'll just put native versus linked videos. So native, because that's the start of the video, versus linked video. And then we just hit return. And then the next time, so you have to start at 0, has to have 00 in it to begin with. So just use the title of the video to say this is where it all kicks off. The next one I'm going to put in is at 2 minutes 55 seconds. So I'm going to put 2:55 space, and then video length on social media. I'm going to put video length on social media. Check my spelling, awesome. And then we're going to do the next one, which will be 3 minutes and 44 seconds. So I've already been through the video and picked these timestamps. So I'm going to put this up, native upload demo. So native upload demo. And the final one we're doing it 4 minutes and 34 seconds. 4 minutes 34 is summary. And that is how we add those in. So I am now going to save those things. Let's move this up so we can see that, hit the save button. So all of these are now in the video. So I'm going to go back, show you the video now that that has been updated, and you can see what's going on. Right, here we are back at the video, and the difference now is on the progress bar here, you can see that we've got native versus linked video. So there's the little thumbnail above. You can see native versus linked video, 2 minutes 29 seconds. Then there's a little break here, which means it's going to the next timestamp. If I hover over it, it says video length on social media. Then we've got another block here that you can't see it very well because of the color of the background. Let's move it that way a bit. Native upload demo, and we go to the end and we can see summary. So it's automatically divided the video into those different timestamps. And if we go down to the description and click in, we can also see that the list here is here, and we can hyperlink ourselves to that point. So if I want to go to native upload demo, all I need to do is to click there. And it'll take me to that thing. I'm going to come back down and put myself on that one. And then let's go to the summary. So there it is. That is how we add timestamps to our interactive, or make our videos a little bit more interactive. Timestamps are great, particularly for longer content or content that has very specific chapters, if you like, that you want to highlight people to. You know, people don't always want to watch everything. Sometimes, particularly if they see a long video, they might go, I haven't got time to watch that. But if you sectioned it up for them and they can see that there are places they can skip, or they can go to the elements of the video that are more relevant to them, that's going to increase some engagement. And what we want to do is to engage. We want people to get to the bits of our content that are most relevant to them as quickly as possible. So timestamps, very, very simple way of getting a nice little interactive element, a little bit of guidance through the video to the people who might be watching. I hope you've enjoyed that video and found it useful. If you have, please, if you're on YouTube, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And if you're watching it on Facebook or LinkedIn, yes, please do give it a bit of a thumbs up. But do you know what's even better? Give it a bit of love, give us a reaction or a celebration, and share it to people that you might think will find it useful. Keep well, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye for now.